Hello, I'm Leanne Seidinger, and I'm here with Calm Momentum. And what I do best is I help overwhelmed, overworked, stressed out moms let go of that mom guilt from whatever is causing it to find more calm and have a more peaceful, joyful mothering experience. So today, I'm inviting you to join me on a 21-day challenge. So each day, we're going to talk about some tips, some techniques on what it's like to, first of all, maybe, having that mom guilt. What does that mean? What are some ways to work around it? And ultimately, just have fun. So are you ready? First one for today, and that is, I just got back from a business trip yesterday, and I had this big list of things that I wanted to do. Now, I was met with a lot of snow coming back home, and my babysitter could not, she closed down because her road wasn't cleared. So my sister brought my son to me, which is awesome because I was so looking forward to seeing him, but I got absolutely nothing done. I flew overnight, I was exhausted, I wanted a nap. He refused to take a nap, and it's very easy to get really frustrated because you have all these things that you want to do, but you can't get them done. So my challenge to you today is, when you find yourself in that moment where you're frustrated and maybe you're getting a little upset, what's a different way to look at things? I was so excited to just be with my son. So even though I got nothing done, was extremely exhausted, we just decided to have some fun, play some songs and some games, and it's all right. I'll get to it later. So what about you? What happens when you don't get all those to-do list things done? How do you deal with it, and how would you like to deal with it? So I love to hear your comments, and until tomorrow, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.